Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Viky Brothers. Today we are going to show you mini aircraft LED strobe light. It has 7 colors and several flashing modes. It is rechargeable and there is micro USB port here. You can charge it with any micro USB charger. To turn it on, press and hold the power button. It will enter into its first mode, which is a strobe function. Single click on this button will take you to the next mode, which is called 7 colors fast flashing mode. Again a single click and it will enter into 7 colors slow flashing mode. Next mode is SOS function. Single click and it will select next color. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again a single click and it will take you to the next mode, which is called civil aviation mode. It is just like the LED light we see in airplanes. Again single click and we will enter into strobe function. The next one is always on mode or still mode. Same is for the next color and so on. Turn it off, press and hold power button and it will turn off. Other items in the package are 2 sets of velcros. Velcros are used to stick this LED light on car, bike or bicycle. Micro USB charging cable, 2 rubber bands which are used to support this LED to get a grip on handlebars or rods, and a user manual. For example, if we want to stick this LED light on our indicator, we will use the rubber band like this. That's it. Place an order. You can visit our Daraz store. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.